In this video, we're going to look at algebraic key vocabulary. Down the left-hand side of my screen, I've got all the words that I'm going to look at. In the middle, I've got some jumbled up definitions, and on the right, I've got some jumbled up examples of what each of these words on the left stand for. My task in this video is to try and link up all the key words with their definitions and examples. So let's start with the first, a variable. A variable is a symbol for a value we don't know yet. And as an example, this is a letter, like x. Multiplying any variable by a number, this is called a coefficient. So the number in front of a letter is called the coefficient. And if I combine the coefficient with x, I would have 4x, and this is why the 4 is now a coefficient. A coefficient and a variable together can be called a term. A term can also be a single number that might be positive or negative, and a term is only used to describe things that are being multiplied together, never added or subtracted. So my key example of a term would be 4a. If I start adding or subtracting terms, this is called an expression. And so it's basically a combination of letters and numbers being added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided. And my example of an expression here is 8a add 4b. An equation represents the relationship between two expressions on either side of an equal sign. So a good example of an equation would be 3a add 4 is equal to 16, since I can solve this in order to find out the value of a. Whereas a formula is a mathematical rule or relationship that uses letters to represent amounts which can be changed. And my example of a formula here is 7a add b is equal to c. By changing the values of a and b, c will alter accordingly. A function is most commonly confused with either an equation or a formula, but it's a set of rules from a single set of x values to a single set of y values. And my example of a function in this case is f of x is equal to 3x add 4, or y is equal to 3x add 4. And this finally leaves an identity. An identity is an equation that is true no matter what values are chosen. And my identity here would be 3 lots of a add 4 is identically equal to 3a add 12. The reason for this is if we expand the left-hand side, I get exactly the same as the right. So no matter what value of a I choose, the left-hand side of this identity will equal the right-hand side.